natin, pikain. Pikain natin siya. Pikain natin sa later.
This is the way we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. So early in the morning.
So, ito yung mga ingredients. Sugar, onion, garlic. I prefer using this
This is
one.
the way we wash our face.
This
We
beef.
wash our face. We
Ito namin ito sa warm
This is the
water.
way we wash our face. So early in the morning. We get dressed.
Ito na yung
This
beef.
is the way that we get
Minarinate ko siya.
so early in the morning.
Let's start cooking.
I have a dream when I go to sleep.
May spicy chicken po kayo lagi.
Ha?
Chicken.
Spicy chicken?
Okay, lagi po.
Oh. Beef lang nandyan.
Strawberry ice cream. These are my favorite dreams. Row, row in a boat downstream. These are my favorite dreams. Winning a game with my hometown team. These are my favorite dreams.
Okay guys, nakalimutan ko sabihin yung pinang marinade ko. Kikuman, tsaka cornstarch. Okay? Yan yung pinang marinade ko. Always, always. Pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang oil. Yung regular oil. Wala akong positive, pero ito. Sponge fry. Side. Okay, pan-fry muna natin. Saka natin sa side.
Yellow.
Itsura. Oh, what's that? Look! nag-golden brown na siya. Let's take it out. Ayan. Tanggalin natin. Okay, so ito na. Then, set aside. So, na-drain ko na din itong akalaya. Ayan. Na-drain na siya. Okay, dito tutunawin ko yung ano muna. Beef cubes. Ito sa warm water. Nabibig ko na. Ito. You know? Okay, so ito. Nang. My gosh. Kaputol-putol dahil may mabibili. Let's start! Na, baby! Okay, so yung sugar, ilagay lang ito. Okay lang. Kasi, like that. Okay, bebe? Let's put oil. Let's put some oil. Yay! Nagpa-fry kami ni Mamay. Mamay? Pa-fry kayo ni Mamay? Pa-fry kami ni Mamay. Let's start. So, we have to saute. Ginger. Just like that. Just like that. Oh my God. Dami mga istorbo mga ruling. Ano ba, George? Guys, puro ko mga nangangarap. Like that. Yes. Put in. Meron na naman. Oh, meron na naman na rin. Like that. Okay, muna. Tapos yung gawin natin. Sayang. Yan all ito. minutes. Okay, let's see. Wow. Yan. Lagay na natin yung okay. Let's put in this one. Wow. Then look for another. Oh. Okay, cover it. Okay, it's done. I forgot. Forgot to put in this one. Let's put in. Just like a 1 tablespoon. This one. Let's see how. Kalimutan ko siya ilagay, guys. Ba't namatay yung pinakanon sa card? Ha? Ba't namatay, bebe? Ba't namatay, bebe? Well, it's quite okay. Yummy. Okay. Let's turn off. Turn off. Let's try to taste. Try to taste. How does it taste? How does it taste? Wow. Let me taste. Oh, using one. Oh my gee. Wow. That looks so good. Wow. Wow. Is this really good, Joy? Wow, baby. Wow, baby. Does this look so good? Does this look good? Wow. It looks so good, baby. Wow. Okay. Okay. That's it. Oh, wait, baby. Wait. No, no, no. You like ampalaya? You like it? You like it? Wow, we like sampalaya. Okay, take off this one. Whoa. Look, sampalaya guys, sampalaya. Wow. This is the beef ampalaya. My son loves it.